Hey, I'm so happy and can't wait to share this with you because I finally found two ways that are working very well to reach your 4,000 watch hours, and these are the fastest ways, and I say this because they are working for me very well, and I'll even show you step by step on how I do it. So the first way is by using Restream.io, but before you use Restream, please make sure that you watch this video until the end, because if Restream is done the wrong way, then you might get into issues with YouTube. Like, you might get flagged for reused content, rejected from the YouTube partner program, that's the YPP, or even demonetized if your channel was monetized, and you don't want that for your channel. So please watch this video until the end. And also, before you use Restream, please make sure that you never use any copyright image or video, and never ever screenshot anybody's work to use for your Restream. So to create your own copyright-free images or videos, please go to ChatGPT and tell it to give you like 10 riddles, or even math puzzles, or even word search puzzles. So for the sake of this video, I'll be using a riddle. So pick one riddle, copy it, and go to Canva. So once you're in Canva, click on create. And for our live stream video, we must use a YouTube short. So create a YouTube short. So once you're there, select a background for your video. So let's go to elements and just select like a purple background. Just pick a free one. So after adding our background, let's now add on the text. So paste on the text that you copied from ChatGPT. So align the text. So you can highlight different words and give them different colors to just make it look beautiful. And this will convince YouTube that you made the video, you created the video yourself, which is safe for you. Then let's also add a timer. So go to elements and search on timer. I believe because you're a YouTuber, you already know how to use Canva. Just pick on any free timer that you see here. So for me, I go with this one. So adjust the timer to fit in your timeline. So I want my timeline to be just 1 minute long. So I'll extend everything and make sure that it fits to 1 minute. I'm aligning everything and make sure that it fits to 1 minute long. So because my timer can't extend, so I'll duplicate it and move it to align with the other one. And then duplicate it again until it fits the whole 1 minute. Just align everything until it all looks good. Extend our background too. And for anyone using a computer or a laptop, this procedure is the same. And in fact, using a laptop is much easier. So after aligning everything to the 1 minute mark, now let's add an emoji to just make our video look more beautiful and appealing. So go to elements and search for emojis. So let's use an animated one. So go to graphics and choose on animated and just pick a free one like this one, and also extend it to reach the 1 minute mark. So let's add a title to a riddle, like guess the riddle. So you can add anything just to make your video look beautiful, but don't make it too cluttered. So the last thing that you're going to do is add an audio, but also make sure that you don't use any copyrighted audio. Just go to YouTube library and download any free audio. So for me, I have some free audio, so I go to uploads and check on my audios. And remember to also reduce the audio volume. So let's play and see how our video looks like. Now everything looks good, and now let's download our video. Click on share and just download it. So wait for it to download, and as we wait, please subscribe to my channel. I give you the best tips to help you grow faster on YouTube. So please subscribe and also like the video. And I've also created 2 YouTube growth blueprints that are designed to help skyrocket your YouTube growth. So please download them in the description. I'll leave the links there, and I know this will be a game changer for your YouTube growth. So once the download is done, just go to your browser. For me, I'm using Chrome. And type Restream.io. So this will bring you to such an interface. So just click on continue with Google, and if you don't have account, please click on sign up. So for me, I already have an account, so I click on my email address and click on continue just to verify it's you. So you can see I've already done some live streams. So for you to add a new live stream, click on new, click on Restream Studio and wait for it to load. So make sure that you allow mic and camera access. So add in your name and title, then click on enter studio. So it's joining. Let's wait. So the first thing that you should do is click on the pencil icon and add a title to your live stream. So let's write guess the riddle, and you can also add an emoji. So for the description, it's optional. You might want to add it or just leave it like that. And for the thumbnail, you can create a thumbnail in Canva, just the normal way that you create your YouTube thumbnails, or just screenshot the video that you downloaded from Canva. So click on upload and just select the image. So click on upload and upload your image and crop it to where you want it to be. And then click on update all. Click on add scene, media, add source, video. Click on the video that you just downloaded from Canva. Then make sure that you click on this portrait design. Then click on the video and wait for it to upload. And now it's done, and let's now click on the video itself. And can you see these 3 dots at the top here? So click on the dots and click on loop videos. So this means that because your video was only 1 minute long and you want to run it like 9 hours, then the video won't stop. It will keep on looping itself until your 9 hours are done and until you end your live stream. So this is so good, and it will give you your desired 4,000 watch hours very fast. Because let's say like you have 10 people in your live stream and they watch for those 9 hours, you can imagine how many watch hours you'll get from that. And also make sure that you don't exceed 11 hours, because that will be going against the YouTube guidelines. So next, let's add our channel. So connect your channel. Then you also want to add a comment to just welcome your viewers. So type anything warm and welcoming to your viewers. So for the chat to be active, you need to click on go live. So let's go live. And now you're live, and you can use your other phone to see how your viewers are seeing your video. So let's do that. So once the video is live, now you can send your chat and it will now be active. So the reason why I was telling you to watch this video until the end is because you have to keep on talking in between the live stream. Like set some intervals where you come, talk, welcome your viewers. Just keep on welcoming them and read to them what's written in your riddle, like what has keys but can't open locks, and tell them to comment their answers. Just keep the live stream interactive. Like the algorithm wants to hear you talking, and just avoid the long periods of silence. So you can set some intervals of like 10 minutes or 20 minutes and just come back and talk to your viewers. And please also keep on replying to any comments that your viewers drop. So if you follow these steps, then you'll never get into trouble with YouTube, like getting demonetized or rejected from the YPP, or even flagged for used content, because these are videos that you've created by yourself. So you can also keep on adding chats to make your live stream engaging. So the second way is by using the normal live stream, like the live stream that you do and showing your face. So this is another way that I've found working so well to get your 4,000 watch hours. So go to ChatGPT and tell it to give you like 20 questions about the topics that you want to talk about, and just list them down with the possible answers. And so you can be referring to those questions and answers as you talk to your audience, and just keep on talking in your live stream. Just answer the questions that comes up, and if you're alone and no one is talking or no one is engaging, just keep on talking, just keep on reading the questions, and make sure that you just cram everything, or just keep the notes beside you, so that if anyone is on your live stream with you, then you can be reading or referring to the questions. And just keep on talking, because YouTube doesn't like those prolonged silent periods. So just keep on talking, refer to the questions, and make your live stream engaging. Even though no one is there with you, just keep on trying. And the best thing about live streaming is that if maybe 10 people join you in your live stream, or just 5 people, and you're doing your live stream for like 1 hour, then this will add up to your 4,000 watch hours. So whenever you're going live, you can also make your friends know or your relatives know, and they can join you in your live stream, and this will send good signals to YouTube that your live stream is good, and also tell them to keep on commenting so that the algorithm will see that your live stream is good and engaging, and it will start sending it to more people. So I wish you well as you reach your 4,000 watch hours, and if you haven't reached your 1,000 subscribers, then I made a video just for you, so click here to watch it. And thank you so much for watching. My name is Carol, and I give you the best tips to help you grow faster here on YouTube. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. So guess what, guys, after I finished demonstrating the video, I just decided to go live with the video, and here are the results. Imagine, and I just did it for 2 hours. So imagine if I did it for like 9 hours, what would be the result? So live streams can really push you to your 4,000 watch hours. So start doing live streams as soon as possible.